Hey, I'm going to Cornucopia, Wisconsin today. So Cornucopia is a cute little town right on the shore of Lake Superior in Wisconsin. I'm in Duluth, so it's about an hour and a quarter drive. Today I'm taking the rusty but trusty 2000 TDI Beetle. And I'm basically bringing only medium format cameras with me today. So I have my Agfa Clack, and I've got my Kiev 60 square format, and also I've got my Kiev 88, which is also square format, and I'll show that. I'll probably start shooting with that one. But first I gotta go get coffee, because I haven't had coffee yet today, and what's the point of being around if you don't have coffee to be around with? I want to be anxious but faster, you know? So we'll get going. It's been quite a while since I've done just a solo adventure like this, so I'm looking forward to it, to be honest. So I'm on my way. Taking a bit of a stop because I always like to stop at the Davidson windmill, and I'll show you that in a second, but coffee first. I stopped at 190 Coffee in Duluth, Minnesota. It's my favorite coffee shop in town, officially, in case you care to know. They were out of my cold brew, but their iced Americanos are to die for as well. So we'll get out and we'll kind of walk around and see some stuff. Maybe see if there's anything to take pictures of. I'm sure there is. Probably should mention I'm shooting basically all Kodak Gold 200 today. It's the only stock I can afford at the moment. If you're into film, you know it's expensive, you know. I'm over in northern Douglas County at the moment, outside of the Davidson windmill. It's a favorite stop of mine. I did get out and take a couple pictures on the Kiev 60. There's a couple that showed up with their camper, and I didn't want to film in front of them. As it turns out, the Davidson windmill is being restored at the moment. This was built in 1904, a traditional windmill from an immigrant. I forget the man's name. We'll say Mr. Davidson. Yeah, they're in the process of rebuilding it, it looks like. I read the little flyer, looks like some beams rotted out. There's some miscellaneous wood laying around. Can definitely tell that there's bits and pieces, original wood, or what looked to be original wood, along with some other non-original wood. But I've stopped here many times. I've never been able to get as close as I have this time, which is cool. Too bad it's not put together. Pretty glad the sun's coming out. I was a little worried. I don't have any black and white film at the moment, and I like to shoot black and white when it's cloudy because it just kind of looks better, in my opinion. So I'm glad we're gonna maybe get some good color today. Looks like we got historic sauna. Check out the dovetailing on this corner. That's beautiful. Little bridge. This was transported here at one point. Got an old house. Pretty neat. We got some flowers. It's nice. It's a nice day out. Alright, I'm still on my way, but I just love the kind of stuff you run into. I found this little park, Cloverland Community Park, just kind of out in the middle of nowhere. It's kind of the stuff you see. It was a school between 1916 and 1948. Coffee. I'm feeling good. It's a beautiful day for a drive. Enjoying myself. I'm going to switch into a different t-shirt. I bought a t-shirt at 190. It's hotter than I expected, and my Ratched Out Van Halen t-shirt from when I saw them when I was 17 is a little... I should probably retire it. It's kind of a collector at this point. I'm gonna keep going. I know I said we were gonna get going, but check this out. This is sweet. They don't make them like they used to. Kind of a fun merry-go-round. Guess there was a school here at one point. Not much left. They do have a slide. That's cool. Maybe the building was over there. I don't know. Well, better keep going. I keep forgetting to use this little mic, which is too bad because the sound quality is way better. I don't know if you can see it. Nope, you can't see it. There's a little church on the outside here that I'm going to take some pictures of. It's really, really pretty. Really white, some nice light on it. We're going to see how it turns out. Well, I made it to Cornucopia, finally, after many stops. Just because I like stopping and seeing things, taking pictures. Like I said, I'm shooting the Kiev 88 with Kodak Gold 200. I don't want to scare the seagulls too bad, but hopefully I got some good shots of them flying as I kind of got closer to Turns out it's too bright out to be using the clack, and I just really enjoy using the Kiev. I just love the shutter sound, and it took me a long time to get a Kiev 88 that works, so I'm just really excited about that. So I've just been using the heck out of it. So that's fun. I think I'm gonna head back. I'm gonna see if I can find something to eat on the way home. Maybe we'll stop some spots on the way. There's some cool stuff that I saw that I didn't stop for, so we'll see. Alright, this is the last stop of my adventure because of, well, I'm almost back home. I'm in Superior right now, so just gotta go across the bridge, but I wanted to stop at Wisconsin Point Lighthouse while I was out here. I don't get out here very much, which is too bad, and summer is drawing to a close, and the leaves are starting to change, and before you know it, the white stuff will be falling from the sky. It's Kiev 88. Can't help it. I just love it. It's my own little, it's my own little box. Almost there. We're gonna get a nice little shot of my first step on the platform. Just ran into a lovely little couple on my way out, and they said, "You're almost there." I know that. I've been here before. Check it out. Look at that. Little lighthouse action. Is. I used to come out here in college, and a lot of people would jump off of this thing, which freaked me out so much. I know it's very deep, but you know, you never know. New graffiti relative to the last time I was here. It's a shame that they do this, but there's no lighthouse keeper. It's all automated now. Take a little walk out here. Oh, hello. Pretty good view from out here. Gotta walk all that way back. But always fun to come out here. I'm gonna head home.